What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every single weekday here at 5:45 p.m. right after Around the Blockchain. I think you guys got a little sneak peek of me before I pulled that thumbnail up. Sorry, we were scrambling to get some things together over here. But thank you all for being here, guys. Make sure you smash that like button if you have not already. If you guys want a chance to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a possible giveaway for you guys, or it might land on an embarrassing challenge for me to do in front of you guys. So it's a win-win for you. It's like a lose, not really. It's like a lose-win for me. But thank you all for being here. Who do we got in chat today? Let's check. We got Matt, Lenny, Bubba's Crypto. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Chris Higgins been out there absolutely crushing the trading game. Let's see. Audi Trades, what's going on? Welcome back. Alaskan BTC, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Jonathan, Chris Cross, he says, bing bong. Let's see, Crypto Billy, Jonathan, I don't know if I said hi to you. Yeah, Jonathan. Jimmy Two Shoes in chat. What's going on, Jimmy Void? Thank you for being here, man. One of the real OGs of the channel. We got our wonderful mods, Captain Kirk, Tyler Durden, and Tony D making his reappearance after a few day hiatus. He was Tony D's got a life, but we're happy to have him back. We know the CandleMafia has been missing him. So thank you for being here. He says, he just posted here, Frankie Candles on the Jason Casper stream yesterday. He posted the link. Go check that out. Me and Jason did a collab stream on his channel yesterday morning. It was a lot of fun. We were spitting some of that sauce. So yeah, very good time on Jason Casper's stream. Biomex, what's going on? Javier, what's up? Dresden, what's going on? Mo Money, what's up? Mo Money, I love it. I think it might be one of my favorite names in chat here. Let's see, Alec, what's going on? Jeremy Fleck, what is going on? Hey, Frankie, who? Frankie Candles, you got that right. Let's see, what's up, Frankie and crew? Good to be back. Good to have you there, Jonas. Let's get some hashtag Bing Bong Illusions of Hope. Thank you for being back here. I appreciate you. We got 90 people in here. Smash that like button if you have not already. Por favor, help out the channel and give yourself a chance to win a giveaway. So just so you guys know, let me pull it up here. We will be giving away a Mutant Cheetah NFT, and I'm going to show it to you now, but this is not the one we'll be giving away. JPEG store, where we're getting these NFTs from, is actually down right now, so I was not able to grab one, but here's a little sneak peek of what they look like. They're just, mutated zombie cheetahs. So they're pretty cool NFTs. We already gave one away. Just sent that out yesterday, I think. So really cool. They all got, it's an NFT. They all got unique traits. And they could go up in value. So we will be giving away another one of these. Like I said, it's not going to be this exact one, but as soon as JPEG Store is up, we will be purchasing one. So we will be announcing the winner of the 3 15-minute calls and the Mutant Cheetah NFT at the end of the stream. So make sure you stick around to the end to see that. And guys, to win this Mutant Cheetah NFT, the video is out now, right? It just went up. I'm sorry it went out late. I was waiting on the thumbnail for quite some time. But if you want to go, if somebody, Tyler or Tony or Captain, can someone link that video in chat so people could hop out? You gotta be a subscriber, like and comment on the video to get into the pickings. I don't know how to say that. To join in and possibly win that giveaway. So if someone could link that, that would be awesome. And then if you want to just click on that link, hop out, like it, comment, just to get your name in there, and then you can hop back in the live stream. And then when the live stream's over, you can hop back and actually go watch the video. That would be awesome. So yeah, look at that moving average video. It is the moving average trading strategy. I'm sure that is the right one. I just want to make sure you guys get the right one. But yeah, definitely go check that out so you can win that Mutant Cheetah NFT. It's pretty cool. So we got a great show today, guys. Bitcoin, right? Pumping, right? We're pumping. ETH. We talked about it a few days ago. Can ETH hit 3K by the end of the month? I think we might be pretty close on our prediction there. So we're going to be taking a look at that. We'll be taking a look at the alts. So let's, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Okay, so here we are. Let's go ahead and start off, right? Let me minimize this. And let's go ahead and start off on the weekly for good old Bitty boy over here. Okay, let's see here. All right, let me get rid of these drawings real quick because that's getting a little bit sloppy. Okay. So weekly, kind of nothing new here. VWAP above the 0 line, right? We lost that red dot. Not going to cover it too much, but overall, weekly is looking bearish. However, we got rid of that red dot, so could be good for the short term. But we do want to keep in mind that the weekly overall does not look too good. That's why I'm not getting super excited about this pump. But you guys, if you watch the channel, you will know that we are, we are expecting somewhat of a relief pump, possibly up to certain price targets. We will take a look at that on the daily, right? So let's just take a look at these other, 3-day money flow coming up. You got that green dot right here on Market Cipher B. The 2-day money flow also coming up, right? You got this green dot. It didn't just print it. We printed it, I guess, 2 days ago. So you got that money flow coming up with that green dot. VWAP above the 0 line. Not looking too bad, guys. And here it is, the infamous daily chart, guys. Look at the money flow. This is, I know I say this all the time, but this is literally as close as it gets, guys. This thing is about to cross over into the green, which is kind of where I'm expecting to see some, a decent, I think this is where we can get a possible breakout. But let's go ahead and pull these lines back up. Let me just try to clean this up a little bit for you guys. Let's go ahead and get rid of this fib. Okay. All right. So basically, if you guys watch the channel, you'll know kind of what we've been keeping an eye on. We have this symmetrical triangle in these thick white lines, right? And we are breaking out. We are breaking out of that. We also have a key level of resistance right here at about 41,950. We started to break out of there as well. We're going to zoom in on the smaller time frames to see what's going on exactly, but we are getting a breakout. So our goal is to break through this 41,950 level and work our way up to this 44K level right here. This box is between about 44K and 45K. This is also, we do have this symmetrical triangle here, but we also have the ascending triangle right here with this white line going up, and then this white resistance range going across, right? So this is typically the ascending triangle is typically a bullish pattern, right? So we're looking for a break out and up out of here, but we got to get past this 41,950 level to test this level and then hopefully break out. We've already tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Can we come up and test it for a 5th time? I hope so, and get that breakout. That's what we're all hoping for, right? We did get a little positive price action, so that's always fun when you get a little bit of green action on Bitcoin, right? So let's go ahead and move down the time frames here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour, right? So you can see we are breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, right? And we're looking for it. You could see my line drawn here. I was waiting to see if we could get a bearish divergence here, waiting for that red dot to print, right? And that would be a pretty good shorting opportunity because you are coming up to this key resistance level, right? Get the notepad, get the pencil, and get your bowl ready for some sauce here. So we are breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, coming up to this key resistance level at about 41,950, right? So you're coming up to resistance. And if you print this red dot, you will have a bearish divergence, right? From, price is coming higher as momentum is coming lower. That is a bearish divergence, typically good shorting opportunities on these, right? So keeping an eye out for this red dot to confirm this bearish divergence on the 4-hour. VWAP starting to round off. So we got to see this come closer to the 0 line, and hopefully we can get that bearish divergence. If you're looking to short, hopefully that can happen. But, ideally for the long-term, sentiment for Bitcoin, we'd like to just see this thing smash up. But let's go down to the 2-hour and see what we got going on, right? As you can see, getting rejected at this level. We did wick above it. Let's come down to the lower time frames and see what's really, really happening. Let's check the 1-hour first, right? Money flow starting to curve down on the 1-hour. VWAP about to cross down. You are printing a red candle here. So maybe you come back down and test this top of the symmetrical triangle right here. And then moving down, let's take a look at the 30-minute, right? Obviously you get a few more red candles. Let's see. All right, let's check the 15-minute. So you see the EMA ribbons are starting to constrict, right? They're not constricting too much, but typically when you see them, at the start, they start, how do I explain this? So, right, you start all constricted, right? And then they come up as price comes up, they start to widen out just a bit, right? And then it starts to constrict again. The more it constricts, the closer it gets to flipping into this gray color right here, this unlit color. And then, that's typically when you start to see a trend reversal, right? So that could be indicating that you are starting to slow down and might have a trend reversal on the horizon. Now, these aren't too, they're not too constricted at all, but just to give you a little bit of a clearer idea of what I mean here with the EMA ribbons. So you can see right here, you're constricted, right? And as you come up, you start to widen out, right? And it starts to constrict and constrict and constrict and constrict, right? And once it gets really tight, they flip to gray and you come down, right? So that's kind of what I mean when I'm explaining these EMA ribbons. So yeah, looking for, see if we can come down a little bit more here. I am in a short currently. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, I am in a short currently. It might be in the red a little bit here. Yeah, down about 1%, 2%. But I'm not worried. We'll have to see how it plays out. But we'll check on that in just a minute. We might come up and just test this level of resistance one more time and then come down more. Or hey, maybe we break out and I get stopped out. You never know. So all right, let's go ahead and move on to. So yeah, just basically, guys. We're looking, right, this is the resistance level we have to break. If we can come up in a bullish scenario, right, maybe we do come back up and, pop through here, flip this into support, and then come up higher, towards this other resistance at about 44K. And then we want to break out of there to come higher. But I'm not getting too excited for the Bitcoin pump until we crack this, this range right here. So not getting too excited just yet. So yeah. Let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Good to see the lieutenants of the Candle Mafia today. Howdy, Tony and Tyler and Captain. What's up, Wick? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Always love to see you there in chat. Hey, yo, maybe live trade. Yeah, there you go. We are in one. There you go. Kenny Mac, the fella. We got a good fella over here, Kenny. Let's go. V-Slim, what's going on? Yo, Tony D, main mod. Sorry, no Captain. No, Captain's the main mod. Yeah, there's a mod war going on out here in the Candle Mafia. All right, let's see. How about a live trade? Wow, everyone's asking for a live trade. Well, look at that. You tuned in at the right time. Let's just hope price keeps going down so we can get it into the green. All right, let's see. I have a good support line at 41,760. We are bouncing off that right now. All right, Chris. Hey, you've been winning the trades, so maybe we see that play out. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's see. Hope you're feeling better today, Frankie. Happy Friday. Hey, Bubbas, I am. I'm feeling, I went to bed a little early last night, tried to give the immune system a little rest, and I'm feeling much better. So thank you for that. Opened a short right before the stream as well. Nice, Looney, nice. We'll have to see what happens. James says, but do we see the lines constrict before price goes down? Sure, it's fine for a lagging indicator, but not for predicting. So James, yeah, so as you know, so Market Cipher, so for the EMAs, right? Let me try to find like a good point where we came, like where we were in the when the EMAs were white and then we flipped for a big downtrend. Maybe we'll go to a longer time frame. Maybe we'll go to the daily. Let's see. Yeah. So here you can see, right? You're coming up, right? And you can kind of, yeah, I mean, not the best leading indicator. Now, Market Cipher is definitely a leading indicator, but the EMA ribbons might not be the best use as a leading indicator. But a lot of, as far as money flow and stuff, right, this is a Market Cipher B, like money flow, definitely a leading indicator, right? Because you can see that, from here to here, you can see money is coming out. So, around right before the crossover, you can expect price to come down. You can enter while you're still in the green, and then boom, you come down big time, right? So Market Cipher has a lot of Market Cipher acts as a leading indicator. But yeah, good point. Maybe the EMA ribbons are not the best leading indicator, but you can kind of see, right? You're spread out here as you're going down. They start to constrict as you're coming down, but yeah, maybe not the best leading indicator using the EMA ribbons, but you do have a lot of leading indications on Market Cipher just in general. But good point, James. Good point. Okay, let's see. Do you think Kadena will be a successful project in the future? Yeah, I mean, I don't hate on Kadena. We'll take a look at the price action here soon. Frankie never gets stopped out. That's right, Robert. That's right. I swear I never get stopped out ever. No, I'm kidding. I get stopped out, but it's for a controlled amount of money, right? I'm okay losing the money that my stop loss is set at, right? I'm okay losing that money before I get stopped out, so I'm not worried about it when I get stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, need ape news. Yeah, we'll look at ApeCoin definitely for sure, Mitch. No problem. I can't stand shills, XRP shill, Billy. It is funny. I don't like shills either. You never shill XRP Shillbilly, but your name would suggest that you would be shilling, but you're not. Let's see. Bought BTC at noon, used it all. Bollinger Band, Cypher B, Cypher A, a money flow, VWAP, and popped a 60%er. Thanks, Frankie. And check your Twitter. I sent you a gift. Crypto Billy, let's go. Where's my money? Where's my money? Let's go. Crypto Billy making that cheddar. I love it. I love it, Crypto Billy. Congrats on that. I will check my Twitter right after the stream. Thank you for reaching out to me. Oh, God, I'm just throwing the money, guys. Yeah, if you guys ever want to reach out and let me know if you're winning trades on Twitter, I will respond to you. I do like to celebrate the CandleMafia's wins, so definitely let me know. We'll shout you out on the stream there. Not a problem. What up, Kion? Happy to have you here in the stream. What's going on? Frankie just made $215 on my second leverage trade because of you, because of your advice and tips. Thank you. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. We're throwing the money. I don't even care if I gotta go somewhere after this, but I'll spend the extra time. Let's go. We're winning out here. The CandleMafia is crushing it. Let's go. Let's go. I love that. Wow, that money was falling for a long time. Let's go, guys. I love to hear it. I hope somebody's clipping these comments. I know Tony's probably on that. Let's go. I love it. Love what you're doing. Kion, I appreciate you for being here. Guys, D, Godfather, is in the chat. Show him some respect. What's going on, Godfather? MIR protocol, please. Bada bing. Let's go. Yeah, Godfather, keep that in mind. We're gonna look at alts here a little later in the stream, but keep that in mind. I will look at them, a little bit in just a few minutes. Let's see. Leidan Tech says, hi, Frankie in chat. When Twitch soon. Guys, the Discord is ready. I was scrambling a little bit before the stream, so I wasn't able to grab the link. I don't know if any of the mods have access to the official link. If you guys do, I don't think you do, but if someone does for some reason, please share that in chat. Or if any of my fellow BitBoy employees are watching, MetaMoney, somebody, if you guys have that Discord link, could you please share it? Okay, let's see. Right, this is quality stuff here. Let's go, Shillbilly. What was trading at work today? I do not recommend. Yes, you want to be able, you want to make sure that you can pay attention to your trades, especially if you're trading on a smaller time frame. Kind of hard to keep an eye on work and to trade at the same time. I struggle with it every single day, working on the YouTube channel at the office and trying to get into trades. So I definitely know the feeling. But hey, you got to do what you got to do. Let's see. Sent you my win today. Bollinger Bands, 36% win on ETH long from this morning. V-Slim, let's go. Let's go. We're out here winning, guys. We're out here winning. I love it. Let's see. EMS, what's going on? I love seeing you in here, EMS. Thank you for being here. Happy to see you. Happy to see you. XRP Army, guys. Throw up the X if you're in the XRP Army. Congrats, CandleMafia, on the recent gains. Let's go. Bubba's Crypto. I work from home and still enter small trades. I love it. I love it. The secret to work at home trading is to make sure your personal computer is not in sight of the webcam of the work computer. I love that. Enrique Suave. I love that. I love that. Smash the likes, CandleMafia. Thank you for that, Dawn. Happy Friday, everyone. Is harmonics the astrology of trading? Not at all. Less work, more trading. Let's go. Caught you on BitBoy stream. Way to go, bro. Hey, Kenny Mac, I appreciate you for being in there, and I appreciate you for being a good fella here in the CandleMafia. All right. Well, speaking of everybody throwing up the XRP Army out there, let's go ahead and check out XRP. All right. Coming in at about 79 cents. Actually, real quick. Okay, never mind. All right, XRP. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let me minimize this. Go here. And let's go to the current price action. Guys, for those of you who don't know and you're using TradingView, if you're ever like, looking back on the chart or something, you want to get back to the current price action really quickly without scrolling 100 times. If you come down here, there's these little arrows. If you click that, boom, brings you right back to the current action. Very useful tool. Okay. Tool, would that be a tool? I guess it's a button. Could a button be a tool? Maybe. Okay. Let's see. All right. Bada boom. All right. So daily money flow curving up again, similar to Bitcoin, as close as it gets. Hopefully we can get that green crossover. Now, I know we're pumping. I know it's exciting, but we do have to keep the bearish scenario in mind, right? With the weekly looking so bad. So it's okay to feel happy and excited about this, recent pump that we've been getting. But you wanna just keep that bearish scenario in mind because anything can happen, and you want to be ready, right? As CandleMafia traders, you want to be ready because we make money going up or down. And if you're trying to make money going up and it goes down, you're not going to make that money, right? So, we gotta keep that in mind. So, as with that being said, the money flow looking good. you want to understand that, it is a possibility that we just come up into the green a little bit and then come back down into the red, right? So that could happen, but I am hoping for an explosive move, a decent pump off of this money flow crossover, right? Same with Bitcoin. So yeah, coming in at about 79 cents, right? Let's come down to the 4-hour. Let me grab my other tool here. Boom, right? VWAP above the zero line, money flow coming up, looking really, really good. Could print a bearish divergence here, to be 100% honest with you, right? If we come up, maybe a little higher here, you could have that line coming up and the line coming down on the momentum waves, creating a bearish divergence, but, money flow coming up. So that actually looks pretty decent. Coming down to the 2-hour, VWAP coming down, but money flow coming up. So maybe you just kind of hang out in this range for a little bit before breaking out. Let's take a look at the 1-hour, right? VWAP coming down, money flow in the green. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Printed a green dot on the momentum wave here on the 30-minute, in the green with the money flow, with the VWAP coming up. Could push you back to the top of this resistance, or the bottom of this resistance, I guess. So yeah, maybe you come back up here. How far are we away from there? I mean, we're right there, basically, probably, less than 1% or about 1%. So yeah, maybe you can come back up and test this level of resistance one more time. But yeah, let's look at the 15-minute, right? Yeah, money flow crossover on the 15-minute, coming up here in, probably just a few minutes. No VWAP crossover to the upside, but yeah, I mean, XRP, nothing looking too crazy. Gonna wait for that daily money flow is really what we're looking for. All right, let's see. Where are people leverage trading Ape? I don't know, Chris. I don't know. Chris is out here crushing it. He's itching to get on these coins. Frankie the Don. I love that XRP showbilly. I love that. CandleMafia Syndicate. I like it. I've never seen a coin hit the market and have futures the next day. Yeah, I don't think there's probably no futures on ApeCoin just yet. Shiba and Sol equals Ape. Frankie took some of them yummy ApeCoin profits this morning and put more into my XRP stack. Hashtag Frankinashi candles. Let's go. Yeah, stacking that XRP bag. Hopefully we can get a move here soon for XRP. What's happening with Atom today, Frankie? Let's take a look at Atom, but first, let's take a look at the star of the day, right? Bitcoin's, pumping, but the star of the day has got to be Ethereum, right? Getting this huge pump. I mean, I don't know if it would classify as huge, but I mean, I don't think this was all today either, but let's go to the daily chart and see what's going on. Yeah, I wouldn't consider it like huge, but for the way the markets have been lately, this is considered a huge pump for the way we've been just crabbing sideways, just like sideways, just boring. So yeah, came up kind of similar to Bitcoin, right? Came up to test the top of the symmetrical triangle, did not break out completely yet. Actually on the lower time frames, we might be above it. Yeah, so we have broken out of it. We have tested it already as as support, right? We cracked it. I always talk about this. You crack it, you break it, and then you come down and test it, and then that's usually when you come up. But we'll have to see what happens here. But with that being said, let's go back down to the daily, right? Same thing. Money flow is just kissing that zero line. Get up there. Let's go. We got it. We need that. We need that money flow crossover for sure. Guys, let me know how Lucian, I see you out there. Hashtag value, hashtag bing bong. Let me know how my audio is doing, if my audio is any better than it was yesterday. I know some people were saying it was not that good. Yeah, let me know if it sounds a little better today. I'm actually going to work on getting a new microphone so it sounds better than it even did when no one was complaining about it. I want to improve it a little bit, make it a little more clear for you guys. But yeah, so here we are on the daily. So let's go on down. Let's just move our way down the time frames here and see if we can find anything interesting. Nothing really there. 10-hour VWAP bounce off the zero line. Money flow crossover looking imminent right there on the 10-hour. Let's see, 8-hour. It's kind of the same deal. So let's just go straight down to the 4-hour. Actually, that 6-hour money flow is curving up very nicely. Look at the curvature on that. Ooh, baby, look at the curves on her. Anyway, 4-hour. You had that 4-hour money flow crossover, right? For ETH. And obviously, you came up quite a bit. These money flow crossovers are pretty strong on the 4-hour. So if we come here, about here to here, that's 12% just off that money flow crossover. VWAP starting to come down a little bit. You don't really have a bearish divergence, right? Is that a bearish divergence? No bearish divergence. But yeah, maybe we could see some more upside here. Moving to the 2 hour, right? Money flow coming up. VWAP coming down, but money flow still coming up strong. That's a good sign. 1 hour, let's see. VWAP below the 0 line, money flows, above the 0 line, curved down a tiny bit, but still pretty thick in the green there. Let's go ahead and check the 30-minute. VWAP, bouncing on that 0 line. Looks like it wants to cross up, still in the green on the money flow. 15-minute, there you go. So there's your, you could have a bearish divergence here, right here, depending on where, you could have gone from here to here, right? And you could have gone from here to here, right? So you got momentum coming down, money flow coming down, but you came down, but you have that support right there. So you would want to be careful entering this because you would be expecting to try and flip this level of resistance into support as we did. So you would want to take those profits pretty quickly when you came down to that line, or at least take some of them out, some of your profit out. But you are printing another green dot here, so maybe you come up a little more. But looking good. I mean, finally good to see some pumpage in the markets. I mean, we've just been bored to sleep in the recent past. So, not the most exciting markets lately. But now we are getting those moves. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and let me drag this back on here. Boom. Okay. There you go. Trade creeping into the green here. Not too bad. Okay. All right. We'll keep an eye on that. But there you go. ETH, Bitcoin, and XRP. Let's see. Could you check XDC? Yes. Doubled 63. We will check the alts in a little while here. Keep that in mind and spam it when we start looking at alts. Hey, Frankie, I'm sorry, but can you do a quick video about how to add all of these tools to your trading view and how to use them? So, Alec, so I don't know exactly what tools you're talking about. I do have a trading view tutorial on the channel that you can check out. I'm sure you'll like it. I give a lot of really good tips on how I have my trading view set up, how to make your analysis a little faster, some quick tips and tricks. I show you how to set alerts so you don't have to continuously stare at the charts if you're waiting to hit a level or whatever it is. You can even set alerts on your market site for VWAP crossovers or money flow, whatever you need. So a lot of good information on there. Check out the trading view tutorial. As far as, I don't know if you're talking about like Fibonacci retracements or anything like that, but I have a Fibonacci video on the channel. So definitely check out our tutorial videos on the channel. Might be able to answer some of your questions. But if you have some specific stuff you want to see, throw it in chat and I'll try to remember and I'll try to throw a video together. All right. Let's see. Plus able to use code. Okay. Plus able to use the code you gave. Oh, Biomex. So the code, the market cipher code still works. It's what it sounds like you're saying. That's a good point, or I'm not a good point. Thank you for saying that. Thanks for bringing it to my attention. I don't know what I'm trying to say there. Speaking of codes, guys, if you want to sign up and trade with leverage on Femex, I have pinned my referral code to the top of the chat. You will get a deposit bonus of, I believe, $100 if you use my code, and it helps out the channel just a little bit. So definitely check that out if you want to start trading with leverage on Femex. Let's see. So basically what I do, Ben Morton, I'll send, I'll get some, Bitcoin or whatever it is on Coinbase, right? And then I will just send it over to my Femex account. He's asked me how I fund my account. That's how I do it. I go from Coinbase. Usually I'll use like ETH sometimes because it's a little quicker than Bitcoin. And then I'll just send it over to Femex. And then you could convert stuff to whatever you want on Femex. Michael says, can you put a video on how to easily navigate Discord? Michael, I'll be the wrong person to make that video. I'll tell you that. Just getting into Discord for the most part for me. So yeah, not the best guy to make that video, but you're funny. I like that. Let's see. Frankie, when you set your support and resistance lines, do you use regular candles or Heikinashi? I use Heikinashi. I use Heikinashi most of the time. But good question. Let's see. Do you have spider lines on the ETH chart or just Bitcoin? Daryl G, I only have them on Bitcoin. Might be coming out with a video on how to make them on ETH, but I typically only use them on Bitcoin. So We'll have to see. Video on how to easily navigate Discord. Is ETH a buy right now? We could talk about that in a second. Commonly, Bitcoin, yeah. I think Jason Casper calls Bitcoin Bitcoin because he is a farmer, which is pretty cool. Let's see. This man said Discord tutorial. Members only. Yeah, I was dying at that. Certified says, does it make you wait a period of time when you transfer? Yeah, yeah, it depends. Like, I think Coinbase, if you buy, if you deposit money, right, there is some kind of holdup. But if you have crypto in your account already, like say you already have some Bitcoin, and then you buy some extra that you want to trade with, you can, as long as you have some Bitcoin in there, the amount that you want to send, you could just, as long as it's in there, you should be able to send it no problem. Okay, let's see. I recommend ADA for transfers, lower fees. Yeah, or XRP is really quick too, but XRP is not on Coinbase, or its trading has been halted on Coinbase, so you can't use XRP. Stellar is really fast too, but yeah, ADA's quick too. Let's see, but using eighth minute to transfer funds won't eat you alive. What I do is send USDT through the Tron network. Okay, interesting, Kion, interesting. Where's your coffee, pal? Haha, who said it? Who said it? Where'd that go? Where did that chat go? Where's your coffee at? Jimmy Two Shoes trying to catch me slipping, Jimmy. I got my black coffee right here. I got my black coffee. I bring the coffee because I know you're drinking coffee too, Jimmy. I got to have my cup of coffee with my boy from the Boogie Down. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's see. Hate Discord. Yeah, I'm not a huge, I mean, it's very feature rich, but it's not user friendly. So I'm not a huge Discord guy either. I'm sure once you learn it, you start to love it. But all right, let's see. Okay. Algo is nice too. All right, so let's take a look at Atom. Let's take a look at the alts that we usually take a look at. Maybe we'll take a look at Gala, but Atom, let's see here, coming up to resistance, right? We are on the 15-minute here, so we are coming up to this $28.79 level, getting rejected, right? Thick in the green on the 15-minute, but let's come on down to our longer time frames. All right, guys, not only do I have a black coffee, I'm actually going to crack this because I'm kind of thirsty. We got that bubbly going on. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Gotta love that. Okay, that was really bubbly. All right. No pun intended. Okay, here we go. All right, on the daily, so on Atom, you actually have money flow coming out. Isn't that interesting? It seems that when Bitcoin dumps, Atom's the one coin that usually, just goes the other way, right? But Bitcoin's pumping and money flow's coming out on the daily when the money flow on Bitcoin is coming up and almost crossing over the zero line into the green. So very interesting. VWAP coming down, not looking too good on the daily, not gonna lie. All right, let's see. Looking at the 10-hour. VWAP coming up, money flow just printed a green dot here on the momentum wave. And then, VWAP money flow is still in the green, starting to flatten out here just a little bit. Actually looks like it's curving down a bit here as well. But this is maybe, just maybe, chart is frozen. No way. Here we go. Here we go. I have a feeling Tony the mod is calling me. Here we go, guys, live on stream. Hello, Tony. You're going live on YouTube, so don't say any bad words. Talk to me.
Your trading view chart is frozen on Bitcoin still.
Okay, thank you for that, Tony. See, we got the best mods in the games here, people. All right, thank you, Tony. I appreciate it. Okay, yeah, we're frozen. Okay, let me see if I can fix that. Yes, it is frozen indeed. Let me see if I can fix that. Okay. Okay, we should be live again here in a couple of seconds. Let's just talk to chat real quick while we wait to see if this updates. All right, let's see. Wrong screen. Chart is frozen. Thank you, guys. Yo, share screen. Tony D on it. Crypto Billy, absolutely. We got the best mods out here. 226 people in the chat right now. Thank you guys for being here. I guess in the stream. I don't know if you're all in chat, but if you guys want to win that, get a chance for a giveaway here. We're already giving away like 4 things today. But if you guys want to smash that like button, for every 100 likes we get, we spin the wheel, and with every spin, there are 2 giveaway spots that you have a chance to land on. So make sure to smash that like button if you want a chance to win a giveaway. And if you want to enter our current giveaway, we do have our moving average strategy video that went out today. I'm sure Tyler Durden is about to post it right now. If you, yeah, he's so quick. All right, yeah. If you guys want to click that link in chat and just hop out real quick, like and comment, and then come back to the stream. And then when the stream's over, you can go back and watch the video. But if you want to just go in there, drop a like and drop a comment so you can get entered into the giveaway. We're going to be announcing it at the end of the stream. And yeah, we're going to be giving away a mutant cheetah. Let's see if oh yeah, I think our chart updated. Okay, so I'm just going to keep moving here, and then I'll keep an eye on it. So hopefully we're not, I'm just going to move it around a bunch so I can see. Okay. So I think we're back live here on the charts. So hi, late again. Did Frankie just drop a Bitcoin by accident? Yeah, I guess I did. People keep saying Bitcoin. I didn't even realize or know. But yeah, I guess I did. People keep saying it. I might have said Bitcoin. Sometimes I say that. I say these words so often that I constantly fumble them. But yeah, I can't say Bitcoin too much. Because that's Jason Casper saying, I am not a farmer. Leave that to Jason Casper. But yeah, apparently I must have sounded like I said Bitcoin. Anyway, let's see. We need some Frankie the Don fan art. Let's go. That would be dope. ApeCoin, too early to tell. Yes, testing 41.5 as support, then 45K. What do you think? Let's take a look. But real quick, let's just take a look at Adam here. Let's finish up the analysis on Adam. I do see the chart is live now. Sorry about that, guys. Right back to it. So maybe we can see, I mean, this is the 10 hour. Let's just keep moving here. But yeah, you got the VWAP crossover. Maybe that brings you up a little bit. Money flow coming up on the 4 hour. You did print a green dot here on the momentum waves. Maybe you see price come up, right? You'll see the momentum wave come up here like this, right? As price comes higher. And, and then you will have that bearish divergence, and you might get rejected off of this level, whether it's back down to this support line or you break through it. But keep an eye out for that because the daily isn't looking that great. So I wouldn't be surprised if you start, price comes up a little bit, and then you get that bearish divergence. Keep an eye out for that. But yeah, very interesting that Adam's not moving like the rest of the coins today. Very, very interesting. Wow, guys, look at that. I don't think we just drew this, did we? I don't think we just drew this. But look at that. I mean, we nailed it. Money flow coming up. Green wave. Hopefully the green wave does what our wave is doing. But yeah, anyway, money flow crossover on the 2 hour. That could bring you up a little bit, again, causing a possible bearish divergence. So I would keep an eye out for that because the long frozen again. Love your content, but the stream, bro. Still frozen. What is going on? Oh no, we shouldn't be frozen. You guys should be able to see. Is it really frozen? Interesting. We can't look at anything. Jasmine, only up 60%. Frozen again. No way. Why is this happening to me, guys? Why is this happening to me? So I do know we are getting upgraded internet here at the building. So thank you guys for being so quick on the frozen screens. But yeah. Okay, there we go. I think we're back live. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay. All right, back to it. Yeah, so money flow crossover on the 2 hour. Like I said, keep an eye out for those bearish divergences. We do have some resistance. We crack this resistance, come up here. I would look for a bearish divergence and possible shorting opportunity. So this level at 29.66, possible short opportunity. Keyword possible for Adam. Let's look at the 1 hour, right? 1 hour in the green. VWAP coming down. Take a look at the 30-minute. Money flow coming up on the 30-minute. Again, kind of adding to that, adding validity to the idea that we might crack this resistance and come up and test this level right here. Just take a look at the 15-minute. Not much to deduct here. You did get a bearish divergence, from here, right? Coming down, right? And then from here, you have price coming up, right? So you get that open alligator mouth for a possible shorting opportunity. So yeah, that might be a you know, that's a short opportunity. You know, it started moving already, so it might not, you know, be the best idea to enter it now, obviously, but that's kind of how you could have seen a possible short opportunity when you're coming up to that resistance. You get the bearish divergence. You know, money flow kind of curving down. I wouldn't say, you know, I wouldn't say it's the most confident, you know, money flow curving down situation. But then, you know, you did have this VWAP curving down to the 0 line as you approach this resistance. So that's another reason why you could have expected to get rejected off of it. Phone blowing up, just making sure. Okay, thank you, Tyler. You guys are the best. Okay, cool. All right. Let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Bada boom. Thanks. I guess the issue with the stream is causing my comments not to send. Moving really slow. Okay. Hopefully we're, let's see. Seems choppy. Good for me. Okay. It's good now. Beautiful. Are you using Wi-Fi or wired? We are wired. The black dog has no spots. Working good now. Okay. Let's see. I have a question for you with trading. John, hit me. He says, how do you know when to exit losing leverage trades? Now, we'll talk about that. You're highlighted. We're going to answer that question in just a second. Ben Morton says, it would be great if you did a little video on exactly how to transfer funds to FEMEC. Okay, you know what? That's the second time I got that. We'll try to put that out next week. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm not new to trading, but I'm new to FEMEX. It's driving me nuts. Okay, yeah, we could do that. Thank you for that. Ask your ISP for an uncontended fiber broadband connection. John Connor, what's going on, man? Appreciate that. Yeah. Hopefully we are getting a big internet upgrade soon. I know they are running an esports stream upstairs, so I think that might be pulling bandwidth. But let's see. La Familia de la Candela. Let's go, Lucian. Hey, Frankie, do you ever feel like whales are hacking into your TradingView account and start following your chart drawings? Yes, I do feel like that sometimes. I actually just put out a tweet. It's a video. It's actually a TikTok trend where like your face is flying around in space with like numbers and stuff. And the quote was the comment, like the text on the video was me pondering how the leverage exchanges know exactly where my stop loss is. So yeah, I totally feel that. Absolutely. Thanks for the info. BTC 60K April 6th. Bronx BX Bricklayer, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Tune in all the way from the boogie down. Yeah, I hope so. And you got the day. I like that. Confidence in your predictions. Check GMT, please. We can check out GMT. Hashtag Miami. Let's go. Coming up soon. Bitcoin 2022 coming up very soon. I'm new to trading and not even new yet to winning. Not even new yet to winning. Let's go. I hope, Freedom Man, I hope that means you are winning. If that does mean you're winning, I'm happy. Or not new yet to winning. Okay, so you want to be new to winning. That's okay. Stay tuned because the CandleMafia is crushing it so far. All right, let's see. Frankie, your phone is messing with the mic, creating interference. Okay, no problem. Imagine I just threw it. I will move it. Boom. All right. There you go. That should be better. Okay. Thank you for that, Jonathan Schaefer. Made $200 today after studying your videos all week, bro. My first win. CandleMafia certified TV. We're winning, guys. We're winning today. We are winning today. Let's go. Everybody in the CandleMafia is making money, and it makes me so happy. Okay. Oh my God, this money is going everywhere. I'm going to spend an hour picking this stuff up, but I don't care because you guys are winning. It's worth it. All right, I'm so late. Going to watch from the beginning, but wanted to say have a great weekend. Hey, Ryan, thank you for being here, man. Enjoy the stream. The exchange knows to keep pumping when I take profits and to come back down when I don't. Yes, I totally feel that. Let's see. Yes, want to win. Okay, Freedom Man. It's okay. Stay tuned. It's funny because I said, we're winning, and then someone just said they were winning. So you see it out here happening in real time. All right, Frankie, can you go over trading? Use your thoughts, for example, keyboard shortcuts, and to perform tests. Okay, Crypto Mac, thank you for being here. Is already priced in, or should we be buying and holding? As far as ETH 2.0, like I'll believe it when I see it, right? It's been right around the corner forever now, but it is supposed to happen this summer, so definitely keep an eye on ETH this summer. But yeah, as far as shortcuts, watch the TradingView tutorial. I go over everything in there, but I will say this, to draw horizontal lines, this is one I use literally 100 times a day. If you hold Alt and hit H, you can quickly plot horizontal lines, right? So if you want to plot a line here, Alt H, right? You want to plot a line here, Alt H, Alt H, Alt H, and you could just tap the H button and you're just plotting lines all over the place. But we don't want to do that, so we're just going to undo all that. Okay. But yeah, there you go. Little sauce there. Little quick sauce session there for you. But definitely go check out that TradingView tutorial video. I go over a bunch of stuff there. Hey Frankie, as awesome as it is to win, but what advice do you have about identifying when a trend is moving against you and when to bail? Okay, yeah. So as far as, because someone else, I don't know if it might have been you, Enrique, but someone asked about like how to know when to get out of a losing trade, right? And it's a great question. Now, it has everything to do with your risk tolerance, right? So you should be setting stop losses, right? And if you haven't watched our oh god, I don't even remember what video it is, but we cover stop losses. I think it might have been I think it might have made a stop loss focused video. You want to set stop losses. I don't want to get too I don't want to get too into it on the stream here, but you know, when people set stop losses, what a lot of people do is they just pick a random number and they're like, you know, I'll just set it at 5%. But you don't want to do that. Typically for stop losses, what a lot of people do is a lot of people set them at, you know, previous swing lows, right? And depending on where the previous swing low is, you know, it might be really far away from the price or where you're trading at. But you want to set your stop losses below previous swing lows. And then how far below a previous swing low that you go is going to be based off of your risk tolerance. So what you want to do is when you enter a trade on Femex, it tells you, you know, it lets you know how much money you'll lose. You type in the price you want your stop loss at, and it will let you know your estimated loss. And you want to be okay with that loss, right? So if it says you're going to lose 20 bucks, if you're okay losing that 20 bucks, then that's a good stop loss, right? If you're comfortable losing that, then that's a good stop loss. Then when you enter the trade, you could set your take profits, set your stop loss, and walk away from the trade. And if you get stopped out, you're not worried because you've already accepted that you're risking this money, right? So that's kind of how you should be thinking when setting your stop losses. So the question is, when do you get out of a bad trade? You set your stop loss, and you don't have to worry about getting out of the bad trade because you'll get stopped out automatically. So definitely check out the stop loss video. Yeah, and Tony, thank you. God, you guys are so quick. Yeah, so Enrique, Tony just put that video in the chat. So definitely click that and check it out. I show you exactly how to set stop losses. So yeah, go check that out. We go in depth. That'll definitely help you out. Okay, let's see. Did you ever use chart patterns at CryptoFace and Flopping Groper teach about like double tops, cup and handles, and head and shoulders? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, if I see them on the charts, I always take them into consideration. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for that, Mo Money. You know, and if you keep an eye out for those patterns, you know what I'm gonna say. You're gonna make more money. You know what I'm saying? Is that a different iMac, Frankie? Crypto Mac. This is. It's not an iMac. It's not a crypto Mac. It's a MSI gaming laptop. Let's see. Alt high, life changing. Wow, appreciate the tip. Thanks, man. Hey, Epic, no problem. I think you were talking to me. Oh, Alt H. I can't read. Alt H. Yeah, life changing. So much easier than actually going back, click the tool every single time. Okay, let's see. Hi, Frankie. Live notification didn't come up for me. Happy Saturday, mate. Saturday? Oh, Peebo's in Australia? Is it Saturday in Australia? I don't really know how that works. But Peebo, what's going on? I appreciate you for being here, man. I hope you're having a great Saturday. I am having a great Friday. I hope you're having a great Saturday. Frankie, did you know we're over 8K subs? Yes, we talked about this yesterday, guys. We cracked 8K subs. Let's go. CandleMafia is coming in strong, cracking us above 8K. Love it. So thank you guys for all the love. Smash the like button if you want to show some extra love. And if you smash the like button, I'll show you some love by giving you the possibility to, or the chance to win a giveaway. All right, Frankie, do you ever short one coin and long another one at the same time? Long BTC and short ETH, etc. Is that nonsensical? No, I mean, you could long and short the same coin if you wanted to. I don't typically do it too often, but I'm going to try to start, you know, I typically just trade Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as like a very few amount of alts. But yeah, no, you could do that for sure. On Femex, you can move, but you want to be careful, right? Real quick. you want to be careful because, you know, if you're shorting an altcoin, right, or if you're longing an altcoin and shorting Bitcoin, like a lot of things follow Bitcoin, right? So you just want to be careful doing that. I just want to be clear. But, you know, you can hedge your bets by shorting on one account and longing on another account. That is something that a lot of people do. I typically don't do it, but I probably should, right? Okay, on Femex, you can move the parameters on the fly after you've entered the trade with the upper and lower sliders on the chart. Yes, absolutely, David. Thank you for pointing that out. Thank you. GMT. All right. We'll look at GMT. Everybody's calling out GMT, and we're about an hour. We can start looking at. All. Yeah, Australia's ahead of us. Thank you, BioMX. I'm geographically challenged. Can we just copy your trades on Femex? Javier, I don't recommend copying people's trades, to be honest. You know, I'll always give you guys the sauce, and, you know, maybe we'll get into like giving out signals. I'm not really a big fan of that, to be 100% honest, because, you know, even if you're giving good signals, sometimes by the time someone sees the signal, they get in late, and then like they might lose the trade. And then instead of blaming themselves for, people they'll get mad at you even if they do something wrong. It's just, I don't know. I see a lot of problems coming out. I'm not totally against it, but we are thinking about it. But I don't recommend copying people's trades. I recommend learning from people, or maybe even if someone tells you where they're in a trade, not just copying their trade, but going to look on the chart to try to see what they saw to enter the trade, so you can learn that and see it yourself and get in early the next time. But I don't recommend copying people's trades, but maybe we'll do signals in the future. I'm not 100% sure. I'm kind of half and half on that. It depends on how badly people want it. Crypto Billy says 8,000 subscribers going to 1 million. I hope so. No. We know so. CandleMafia is going to get it there. I know you guys will. Anybody going to Bitcoin Miami 2022, let me know. If you are, I'd be super, super excited to meet some of you guys. I know, I'm pretty sure Jimmy Two Shoes and BX Bricklayer will be there. I look forward to meeting you guys for sure. I'll bet Frankie pulled off the most clever trades. Yeah, I mean, Wick, I hope that I can, help you guys find good trades. Clearly, you guys are learning something from the videos, and we have been able to call some really good moves on the charts during the stream. You guys have been able to make some money, but I just don't know how I feel about saying, hey, enter here, exit here. I think it's those specifics that I don't really like. But you guys kind of catch on, I think, when you guys are like, I'll say stuff and you guys are like, hey, saw you said this, thank you. So I think you guys kind of catch my drift sometimes. But Frankie, MRI Protocol, and Jasmine, bada bing, bada boom. Let's go, Godfather. Frankie, do you want to try? Let's see. Sorry, Frankie, what I meant. Are you still on for? What I meant was, is it still on for ages on iMac, because I have seen you on iMac computers on stream. Wait, sorry, Frankie. What I meant was, is it still on for ages? I'm sorry, Crypto Mac. I don't know really what you're asking. Or I used to be on an iMac when I would call into Ben's computer. Is that what you're talking about? I'm not 100% sure. I'm sorry. Let's see. Why is this channel's logo so good? Shout out to Stephen Polizzi, not Frankie Parisi, but Stephen Polizzi, our head graphic designer here at Hit Network and BitBoy Crypto. He designed that. I gave him a little kind of the idea of what I wanted, but he took it and ran with it and made it absolutely epic. Amazing graphic designer. So thank you to Stephen. That's why it's so fire. Gotta go. Work is waiting. I'll try to get back by the end of the stream, so I know what I win. V Slim, we'll see you in a bit. All right, Captain Kirk saying, Lenny Lyons would like for you to take a look at Jasmine, please. Okay, yeah, I see him in there. I got you, brother. I got you. Jasmine. All right, let's take a look at Jasmine. If you guys want to take a look at any alts, just let me know. Okay. I think our trade is back in the green here. Yeah, guys, we're up 1.4%. Look at us go. Like I said, guys, I'm still trying to figure out how much I want to start trading with on stream, because I want to be able to, like, I don't want to, I know I could, I just want to get this out of the way. I'm not gonna be doing any $1 million trades like Crypto Face. I think he's the only person in the world doing that. Like, they're not gonna be $1 million trades, but I want to try to keep the more realistic numbers for people who are starting out. But maybe we could do some big trades too. I think we talked about this before. It depends on what you guys want to see, but I mean, I think it's better to just, stay to a more reasonable level where other, beginners would be comfortable trading, just to, I don't know, just to be more kind of relatable. Because you don't need to always be trading with like $1,000 or whatever it is. You can make nice little scalp trades and just build up a small, I think people like to see trades with small amounts as well, just to show that you can build a small amount, right? But yeah, got 90% gain on Ape, no leverage. Let's go, Biomex. Congrats on that. Okay, Jasmine, let's check it out here. I keep meaning to look into Jasmine. I don't know much about. Oh my God, this thing is okay. It seems like this is pumping more than it's ever pumped in its entire existence. But cool, that's awesome. I hope you're holding some of this stuff because if you bought down here, you're getting a nice little pump here. Who said that? Lenny Lyons. Yeah, Lenny Lyons. If you're holding this, congrats. Getting some nice curvature on the daily. Not a lot of info here on Market Cipher B, as you can see, but you are getting curvature on the daily money flow, so that's pretty good. VWAP across the zero, above the zero line. Let's come on down to the 4 hour. Have a little more information on the 4 hour. Yeah, money flow coming up strong. VWAP found support on the zero line and started coming up. Not too bad. Yeah, you are finding a little resistance here. But yeah, money flow looking strong on the 4 hour. Not looking too shabby. Yeah, 1 hour, you're thick in the money. Thick in the green money flow wave. VWAP coming down, but this is thick. You're thick in the green here. Let's take a look at the half hour. Yeah, thick in the green, 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks pretty good. I mean, VWAP coming up on the 15-minute. EMA ribbon starting to expand, right? Yeah, I mean, this thing looks good. For longer term stuff, right? VWAP coming up on the 15 minutes could bring you up in the short term, right? Maybe creating a bearish divergence. However, that daily money flow, curvature right here, if you can get that, keep coming up, if you get that crossover, could be good. It's never been, at least on this chart, I don't know if this might be a new coin, but at least on this chart, you've never been in the green. So maybe you get your first little pop into the green. Doesn't look too bad. I got to take a look into Jasmine and see what it is. CryptoMax says, hey, Frankie, sorry about not making sense. I'm using Siri to type for me because I'm on a 500-mile drive from England to Scotland. Oh, nice. Well, drive safe. I'm glad you're using Siri and not typing. But yeah, I'm not sure what you said, but yeah, I used to be on an iMac when I called into Ben's show. But yeah, no, I am on a gaming laptop right now. Good evening, CandleMafia. Rob, the crypto snob, is back. What is going on, man? Lenny Lyons, thick green candles. HE double hockey sticks. Yeah, let's go. I don't know if YouTube cares about that word, but I'm just gonna be safe. How come money flow will be up in the 30 and down in the 15-minute, but up on the 10? Yeah. So Jesse, the money flow is not is not exactly the same on, if it's coming up on the daily, doesn't mean it's going to be coming up on the 4 hour, because it's different time frames. But yeah, so you see, you're in the green on the 4 hour, but the 10 hour is about to cross over, right? Remember how I said a lot of times what happens is what's happening on the lower time frames usually bleeds into the higher time frames. Not always, but 4 hour crossed over, it's in the green, right? Then sometimes you get random ones, right? So the 6 hour, right? So again, 4 hour crossed over into the green, 6 hour about to cross over into the green, 8 hour about to cross over into the green, 10 hour, about to cross over into the green. 12 hour gets a little further down from the zero line, so you still got some work to do. 16 hour, kind of the same deal. 18 hour, same deal. And then the daily, you got even more work to do, right? So, sometimes it'll bleed into the longer time frames. I hope that helps. I don't know if I answered that question, but all right. My question was supposed to be, is the keyboard shortcut the same on my Mac? Okay, Crypto Mac, I got you. It's probably Command H, if I had to guess. I don't know. It's probably the same, but it's probably Command H if I had to guess. Okay. Crypto Mac, it takes two of us. We figured it out though. I'm glad. I'm sorry. I was a little slow on that one. I should have caught on to that quicker. But yeah, it should be probably Command H. All right, let's see. Just use $1,000. Make it realistic for everyone. If you build up a nice stack, you can use that to show people how you pull profits. Yeah, that's what I figure, right? Like if I could show people that you could build a small amount up, then that's that's good. Maybe I'll just stick with the amount I'm trading with right now, right? if, you know, whatever I cash out on this trade, right, then next trade we'll trade with a little more, cash out, trade with a little more, and we'll grow it on and on. I think people would like that. So shout out Sam. All right, old school, new money, currently up 124% on an ETH long. Let's go, old school, new money, out here crushing it. I love it. Let's see, option H. Yeah, okay. What did I say? Command? Yeah, okay. Option H on Mac. That makes sense. Jonas, thank you for that. Craftworks in the house. Crafty Crypto, what's going on? Thank you for being here. Wick. Oh yeah, we were supposed to look at XDC. Say less. Say less. Take a look at the Bitfinex chart. Checking on Bitcoin's price real quick. Okay, I just want to check on this, guys, real quick. Just give me a second. Okay, all right. All right, back to XDC. All right. Let's minimize this. Okay. Let me turn off Market Cipher A. Okay, coming on over to the daily, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so you're pretty far, you're pretty deep down from the all-time highs. Let's see, crushed about 72% currently from the all-time highs. Money flow starting to curve up. Nice little round. I don't know what I want to call this. Little smooth little curve on the money flow. VWAP above the zero line, right? Daily money flow coming up, right? You know, VWAP above the zero line. You know, nothing too crazy. I mean, you could easily curve back down on these. Let's see, you know, yeah, same thing, kind of no crazy curvature on the money flow. Yeah, I mean, money flow coming up a little better on the 10-hour here. VWAP coming down. Yeah, 6-hour getting close to crossover. 4-hour crossover is already happened. Yeah, let's see, 30-minute. You know, you're in the green. VWAP, you know, kind of just bouncing around under the zero line, looking like it wants to come up. So yeah, maybe, you know, maybe in the short term, let's take a look at the 15-minute. You know, 15-minute VWAP crossover. You printed that dot, but, you know, flattening out on the VWAP, so it doesn't look like the strongest VWAP crossover. But you are getting if you print a red dot on this momentum wave, you will have a bearish divergence. So you might come down a little bit in the short term. On the longer time frames, money flow starting to curve up on the daily. You know, on the higher time frames, money flow starting to curve up. Nothing, you know, too aggressively curving, but you know, that 10-hour is getting pretty close, and the 8-hour as well getting pretty close. So there you go, XDC. Okay, I started a goal of 100, and now it's gotten so many X's since Frankie's channel. Rocket ship. Let's go, Jonas. Glad we were able to help you out with that. Let's get it. All right, can you do TA for XRP? Chris, we could take a look at XRP again. We already did cover it, but we'll look at it again because I know people tune in halfway through the stream. They want to see XRP. We can cover it again, no problem. Aave, John, we could look at Aave too. Dude just showed up. Someone took 300, turned into 1,000 in 3 days. Sean, you turned 300 into 1,000 in 3 days. Let's go. Good job. I don't know if that's what you meant. It's all about patience. Yes, absolutely. You got to have patience in this game for sure. Let's see. Jimmy Two Shoes La Familia. Forget about it. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, I think you should create a small community of people who are early to your channel because later you're just going to be the big celebrity with 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Umar, I will always remember the people here from the beginning. But yes, you know, maybe we'll make an OG channel in the Discord or something where we can get all the early people in so we can all stay in touch. But hey, when we have 1 million subscribers, notice I say when we have 1 million subscribers, not me, because I don't have 1 million subscribers. We all have 1 million people in the CandleMafia together. I will never forget any of you. I will always try to interact with you guys. Now, will it be harder to interact in chat and answer everybody in chat? Absolutely. But you bet your bottom dollar that when I see the OG names in the mess of millions of people, I will 100% shout you guys out as OGs. And we'll always be hanging out in the Discord. But yeah, maybe we make a little OG channel for the people who have been here since the beginning. Good idea. All right, hey all, catching some of the stream at the fiat mines. Gotta be sneaky. Yeah, they don't like that crypto stuff. Do you have access to the order book showing buy and sell orders waiting? Yes, John Connor. Yes, I do. Check GMT, please. Yes, we could take a look at GMT. Neil says, bro, doing great. Have a great weekend. Neil, I appreciate you. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Thanks, Frankie, for your TA again. Hey, doubled 63 anytime. I do it for you, doubled. I do it for you. Hoj, what's going on? Happy to see you here. I'm here tuning in halfway through. No problem. We're just happy you're here, Hoj. We're just happy you're here. Yes, Mafia OGs, let's go. He knows the true OGs. Absolutely, Bubba's. Absolutely. Bitcoin is the truth, Jimmy. I know. I believe that too. Mafia OGs. Bing bong. Just watched ATB a little late. Hey, no problem, Eric. Happy to have you here. OG Mafia Frankie, what is a good entry point for ETH? Should you buy now or wait for a pullback? Frankie's the OG mafioso. Let's go, Chris. I appreciate that. Let's go. All right. Yeah. So as far as entry levels on ETH, let's open up ETH a little bit and just take a look here. And we will look at XRP. I've not forgotten about you. We'll look at XRP. So coming in at 29.57. This is XDC still. We did not click it. ETH 29.37. Sorry. So, all right. So this is what I'm saying, right? Should you get into ETH right now? Well, we did just get a bunch of green candles, right? Like we are pumping, right? So I never recommend buying into a big pump, right? Because what a lot of people is they see it's pumping, they get excited, and they'll try to buy here. But what you have to understand is we are coming up to resistance, right? So if you buy here, a lot of people get freaked out. They're like, oh my God, we're breaking out, buy. And then you get rejected off of the resistance, right? And then they're like, okay, now I'm down. So I would say this, you want to be cautious, right? I'm being cautiously optimistic right now as far as the markets go. The weekly looks horrible on Bitcoin, right? We could come down more. It's not 100%, but I am expecting to come down lower, right? Overall, right? Could we get a pump? That pump up to, let's pull up Bitcoin real quick because it does relate to Ethereum. So I'm still answering this Ethereum question while we are coming to look at Bitcoin real quick. So on the daily, right? This is what we're looking at. Boom. Let me get rid of these ugly drawings. Boom. Boom. Okay. So if you take the high to the low, right, of this triangle, right, and you bring it and break it out of this ascending triangle, because this is the level that we really, this is for the ascending triangle, right? So this brings us out to a level of about 55K, right, 56K in this area here. We have a golden pocket right here, right? So we're going to see strong resistance here, possibly, likely that we will see very strong resistance here. So if we break up to the upside, I am expecting to get maybe pump into the 50s, right? Somewhere in the 50s in this level right here, get some rejections off of the golden pocket and then possibly come down a lot. It doesn't mean that we can't come up to all-time highs again, right? You could have this super cycle play out, right? And we get this last huge run up. That could happen. It has never happened in the past. So we don't really have anything to solidify that that's a real possibility, but it's not impossible, right? But in my own personal opinion, I am leaning a little more bearish with the way that the weekly is looking right now. So I'm being really careful telling people to buy into stuff. And you shouldn't just be taking, if you want to know my thoughts, that's totally fine. You shouldn't just be buying based off of what people say, but I would say maybe DCA in. Maybe not today. Who knows? It could pump more tomorrow. But we did just pump a lot. Likely that we will see at least some sort of pullback. But I will say, I'll just leave you with this. Should you buy into ETH right now? Is it a good time to buy? If you really want to buy in, just DCA in. Put a little money in today. See what the price does tomorrow. If it goes up, don't buy. Or maybe just buy. Just buy a little bit each day, because then on some days you'll be down. You'll get a better price. You'll lower your, anytime it dips, just buy. Then you lower your average buy-in, right? So I would say if you're thinking about buying, just DCA in. Don't put your whole bag in, because if we come up, if Ethereum, right? Who knows? I mean, we could technically get rejected off of here, break out of this triangle to the downside, and then we're coming down pretty far, right? Because on Bitcoin, the price target for this breakdown, if we come out of this symmetrical triangle and break down, is to, again, magically, it comes down to another golden pocket level at about 29K or 28K, right? So you don't want to put all your money in and then you dump down to, Bitcoin dumps down to 28K and ETH crashes with it, then you're going to be pissed off, right? And poor. So I would say if you're thinking about buying, just don't put your whole bag in, right? Just buy a little bit at a time. Yeah, DCA is life. Yes, absolutely, Enrique. ETH is always a good buy if you're going to keep it for 4 years. Yeah, that's the other thing too, is like, how long do you want to hold it for? If you plan on holding it for 4 or 5 years, then it's probably not a horrible price to start DCAing in at. Hey, the webcam people are here. What's up? Webcamschat.com. What is going on, guys? Get them out of here, mods. They already did. They're the fastest mods in the game, guys. These webcam people pop in here all the time, but we kicked them out really quick this time. Let's go. Thank you to Tyler and I'm sorry, thank you, Tony. Tony for getting those guys out of here instantly. Yeah, these little scammers. You're not scamming the CandleMafia. Get out of here. He knows. Let's Blanchard. I see you. It won't let me comment on the moving average video. I don't know why. Interesting. Steven, that is interesting. Something is fishy with YouTube and comments today. Just keep trying. Oh, okay. Thank you, Tony. Evening, everyone. When is this beep going to hit a new all-time high? Need another alt season? Yes, I'm hoping for a an alt season. I mean, we all are. Always good to buy ETH, Frankie. Who cares if you buy at 2, 3, 4K? You won't care when ETH is at 20K. Hey, Jeremy. Yeah, I mean, good point. Good point. Can't scam these mods. Absolutely not, Crypto Billy. Too funny. Got him. Got him. Frankie, my brother from another mother. How's it, brah? Hey, Crypto Deej, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the stream. It's going, man. It's going. It's we're chilling on a Friday. Bitcoin's pumping today, and we're having a good time. Let's see, Solana. Yeah, we'll take a look at Solana. Yeah, the webcams are hilarious. J-Max says, Frankie, can we get some dot charts? Yeah, get some dot charts. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at the, because I was gonna say Solana. Solana and dot. We'll look at some Solana charts and some dot charts. Absolutely. That's like a Boston accent. Ugh, I'm just kidding. I love my people from Boston. All right, let's see. All right, what did we say? Dot and Solana. Dot and Solana. Okay, so we'll go dot, and then we'll work our way right down to Solana. Where'd Solana go? I don't know. Solana's here somewhere. All right, taking a look at dot. Yeah, I mean, dot too, guys. Dot is crushed from its all-time high. I mean, and this is a good project too. This is not just some S token here. 65% off the all-time highs. I think Dot's super undervalued. It's a really, really good project, and I don't know why it doesn't get the attention it deserves. But yeah, I might be looking to add to my Dot bag. But okay, on the daily, you got money flow coming up. You got money flow coming up on the daily. Not looking too bad. Very similar to everything else. Could have some moves in store here for Dot soon. Longer time frames looking good. Money flow coming up on, crossover on the 10-hour. 8 hours going to be probably in the green. Printed a green dot with the VWAP crossover here. 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, this might eventually turn into a bearish divergence. It doesn't mean it's going to crash to zero. I'm just saying if you're looking for short opportunities, even if it's a scalp short. But yeah, might VWAP coming up. You're in the green on the 4-hour. Not looking too bad. Money flow crossover on the 2-hour. 1 hour, you're in the red. VWAP coming down. I mean, some conflicting information here. Kind of hard to read. Yeah, I mean, curving up on the 30-minute. Check the 15-minute. Yeah, kind of just binging and bonging here, going sideways. Maybe you got some conflicting information here. Maybe you're just going sideways for Dot soon. Nothing really screaming out at me, though, for Dot, to be 100% honest. Look, they heard me shout them out. I probably shouldn't shout them out, honestly. I shouldn't even say their names. But, yeah, they tried to come back, but they got the wrath of Tony D on the first, these webcam people got the wrath of Tony booting them instantly, and then they came back for a second try and caught the wrath of Tyler. Yeah, now are they going to come back for a third time? We're going to have to sick captain after them. Report. Bing bong. Get out of here, webcam people. Bing bong. Give him a little Donozo upside the head. Well, you guys are in the wrong chat here. Go find a different chat. You guys aren't going to get over on us. Okay, about to FOMO into some ApeCoin. Blanchards, I see you. Bro, can you check Solana? Yeah, let's look at Solana right now. No problem. Mohin, I'm not sure. I hope I didn't butcher your name there. Check Proton fan token, please. Okay, let's go ahead and look at Solana. And just a quick little price check on Bitcoin. Okay. All right. Okay. Looking at the daily. Looking at the daily, guys. All right. I really want to fix this audio, guys, because rewatching some of the streams, it is kind of hollow. Audio kind of sounds like garbage. And I don't like that. So we're going to try to get it much better. We're going to try to fix it. I don't know what the problem is. I think it's a problem with our streaming software, but we're going to try to fix it so it's a higher quality. And on that last pre-recorded video, I know that the audio is brutal on the past couple pre-recorded videos that we did, but I figured out how to fix that at least. So the pre-records will production value will go back up for those videos. I did fix that. But now we got to work on the audio for the live streams. Always something. Always something. All right. Let's see here. Money flow, I mean, it's curving up, but not looking as good as it was on Bitcoin and a lot of the other alts. Let's see. Curving up on the 10-hour. Printed a green dot on the momentum wave here. You are coming up to resistance here. You do have the 786 fib level coming. Yeah, it's a 786. So yeah, you are finding a little bit of resistance there. Let's move on down to the 4-hour. Yeah, you don't quite have the bearish divergence yet. You haven't printed that red dot. But if you print a red dot here, you will have little confirmation here. You're coming up to resistance, right? Price has been making higher highs, right? Higher highs. And then your momentum waves making lower lows. So if you print that red dot here, you may also have your VWAP coming down at that same time. So you're coming up to resistance. You have the bearish div when it confirms. Just to be clear, it's not confirmed yet. If you confirm the bearish div, and you'll probably have VWAP coming down as well, giving you a good, pretty good confidence, thinking that, the price will come down from this resistance. Just like to point that out for you guys. Okay. 2-hour VWAP coming down, money flow coming up, not looking too bad. Kind of the same idea with that bearish div. Let's see. Yeah, money coming out on the 1 hour. Let's go ahead and check the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, VWAP down, money flow in the red. Let's check the 15-minute. Yeah, money flow coming out on the 15-minute too. So I would keep an eye on this 4-hour for a bearish divergence. But yeah, there is Solana. But yeah, I mean, just for, future, if you do happen to break through this resistance, your next level of resistance I have is about 93.99. But hey, sub $100 Solana, right? Not bad. Guys, 225 people in here, 210 likes. Make sure to smash that like button. Every 100 likes you get, we get a spin on the wheel, chance to do a giveaway. You guys are crushing me on the giveaways right now. So this will be, this second NFT is going to be our second NFT giveaway this week. And we're giving away, or not really giveaway, but we're doing 3 15-minute one-on-one calls with your boy, Frankie Candles. We could talk TA, we could talk trading, we could talk cars, we could talk whatever you want. I have many interests. I'm sure we could find something in common, whatever you want to talk about. But yeah, so we'll be doing that at the end of the stream, and every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel. So the more likes, more 100 likes we get, the more chances you have for that giveaway. Hey, Frankie in chat, sorry I'm late. Hope everyone is doing well. Jesse, I swear, didn't you ask a question like a while ago? I don't know, maybe not. Well, no problem. We're happy to have you here, Jesse. Let's see. We want signals. Hashtag value. Bing bong. Okay, noted. $100 to start. We broke. Okay, I see you. Zero Wing. I see you, Zero Wing. Okay, we've got to look at sand. Yes, we'll look at sand right now. Let me pull it up before we'll just take a look at chat real quick. I gotta say, I watch your stream on my phone, and mics matter more for when you're coming out my TV, but it makes sense to move that direction. Yeah. I mean, I don't think, Wick, I don't think it sounds too bad. I think that's what you're saying. It doesn't sound that bad. Or if it's more important when you're watching out of the TV. Yeah, I am a little bit of a video and audio snob. So it is, if it's not like high end, I do get a little, it's a little pet peeve of mine. So we'll try to perfect it. Maybe we'll get like a little stand-up microphone that we can talk into. Do you have any access to 11-hour charts? Yes. You want to see the 11-hour chart, Jason? Let me know what coin you want to see it on. But I can pull it up for you. Can you view 11-hour chart for Jason? Yes, on Solana. Thank you for that, Tony. Let me know if he means Solana or I don't know what he wants to look at. Just let me know. I'll pull it up. Would love some ASMR intros to the video when you're prepping to come on screen. Just instructional ASMR on spider lines. So chill. Okay. I like that. We could bring some ASMR into it, Wick. No problem. Do you know something I don't? Epic. It depends. People have time frames that they typically like to look at. But yeah, I mean, I look at a lot of different time frames. I think there's information on all time frames. I look all the way down to the 1 minute, to be 100% honest. Hashtag so saucy, Mr. A, or Al, as we call him here. Welcome back, Al. I'm happy to see you here. Thank you for being here. John Connor, Frankie, to take a week off just to do his one-on-ones. Yeah, we got to start getting after this giveaway, we'll have 4 that we have to do. So I'm gonna have to get cooking on those. Probably be a weekend, to be 100% honest. I might take an hour or 2 on the weekend and just hop on with each of you individually, unless you guys want to do it as a group. But I think it'd be better to do it individually. 15 minutes of ASMR lol. Just kidding, Peebo. Peebo is one of our 15-minute call people that already won. Peebo, we're gonna get it going. I promise. All right. Hey man, can we take a look at Zcash? Yes, we'll take a look at Zcash. 11-hour on Sol. Okay. So we're looking at Sand. We're looking at Zcash. Let me pull up the 11-hour chart on here. So yeah, guys, this is one of the benefits of having a paid version of. If anyone's wondering if it's worth it to get the paid version, this is one of the good things about having the paid version of TradingView. You could just type in 11. You could do hours, minutes, days, weeks, months, and then we want hours. Add. Right, and then it throws it up here, and then we click on it, and here's your 11-hour chart. You got the VWAP crossover, 11 hours ago about, and then, money flow starting to curve up. Actually, it doesn't look too bad on the 11-hour. And I will just leave this here in case you want to take a screenshot. I don't know what you want to see the 11-hour chart for specifically, but yeah, there you go. There's your 11-hour chart. Okay, let's take a look at Sand. Love to know your thoughts on Matic. We could take a look at Matic. What's the worst indicator that never seems to work? I take a look at a lot of indicators on the public area of the indicators on TradingView, and some of them are pretty bad. I will say that. Will you do some TI on AMP, good sir? Crypto Deej, yes. I've been holding for about 186K at about 45 cent average for a while. Wow. Okay. Late to the stream. Could you look at VeChain? Yeah. John Franco, welcome back. Yeah, we can take a look at VeChain. We got a lot to look at here. So let's start off with Sand, and then we'll look at Matic and all the other good ones. Okay. So you're coming up to resistance here, right? Let's go to the daily, actually. So you're coming up. You've been rejected from this resistance here at $3.19. You do have some support down here. This yellow line about $2.96. Money flow kind of starting to come up. VWAP above the 0 line. Not much to deduct here from the daily. I don't know if I'm using that word right. Deduct, I think. Nothing to take away. Yeah, I think it is right. Okay. Yeah, guys, I definitely had a little something yesterday. I feel much better today. Still got a little cough going on, but hi, Frankie. Question: Do I get taxed on the money sitting on the sidelines if my plan is to buy back in? Yeah, I'm not a tax Alexander. I cannot give advice on taxes. I am very much not a tax person. From what I understand, not financial advice. These webcam people are getting slammed today. Oh, good, they were hidden. Nice, let's go. But yeah, I'm not a tax guy. From what I understand is you can get taxed. You know what? I'm not even going to say because I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't want to give you bad information. I genuinely, I am not. I don't want to give you that information because I'm not 100% sure. So I'm sorry, Alexander. Okay. Check Protofan token, please. New to charting and picked ETC to look at for if it closes at the price it's at now, would that be breaking a long-term one-day downtrend? Mr. Duck, I'm going to come back to that. We're going to take a look at Sand real quick, and then I'll come back to that question. So you're getting rejected at this blue line right here at about 31.19. Got some support at 296. That's the 10-hour. Money flow starting to come up. Money flow crossover looking imminent on the 6-hour. Looking like you might get a bullish continuation. Here you get that VWAP crossover, right? Almost at the exact same time as that money flow crossover, right? You got 50 minutes to print another candle, so you got to watch that. Keep an eye on that 6-hour chart, though. You know, that might have a bullish continuation where you might be able to push you past this resistance here. Let's take a look at the 2-hour. Yeah, VWAP curving down. Money flow coming up, though, pretty nicely. Yeah, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. 1 hour. You printed a red dot, right? VWAP coming down. Money flow coming down. VWAP coming down. You know, maybe you cool off of here a little bit. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, momentum coming down. You're probably going to cool off a little bit on Matic, in my own personal opinion. You do have the VWAP coming up. Printing like a tiny little trigger wave there, actually. That could be, you know, you have an anchor wave back here. You might print that little trigger. Maybe that moves you up. But yeah, there's sand for you guys. Hey, Frankie, I want to say thanks for your channel. I got shredded a few months back. Now I'm starting small, but building confidence thanks to you and Jason C. Old school, new money. Super happy to hear that. Super happy to hear that. Obviously, JC, definitely another really good resource to learn some really sound TA from. He gives out some really good information. And he's also very entertaining. I think that's missing from this space, right? TA can get pretty dry, right? It's a lot of numbers, a lot of charts and ratios and averages, right? So I think Jason does a really good job of mixing in some entertainment there as well. I'm always laughing at his streams. But yeah, as I try to do here as well, I try to make it a little bit fun. Okay, all right, so let's go back to this question. New to charting, picked ETC to look at if it closes at the price. All right, let's see. Looking at ETC. All right, let's pull it up real quick. If it closes breaking the downtrend, no, I would say that's not breaking the downtrend. I'm not sure if I 100% understand that question, but if you're asking if this is breaking, if this green candle is breaking the downtrend, no, is my answer. I don't know if that's exactly what you're asking though. So I'm sorry if I butchered that. Let's see. You do so much for us. You really go above and beyond. You're creating such a great community. Looking forward to the official Discord. I have no one to talk to about my crypto mania. Crypto Killer Whale, thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. We do. I put in a lot of work. I work long hours, but I do it for you. I also have the benefit of loving what I do, right? I love being on stream here, right? I mean, I'm in the office, you know, at 8 o'clock, and I stay here until like 8:30. And then I go home and I continue to look at the charts and I continue to try to, you know, script out videos for you guys and think of ideas and fix discords and do whatever. But I enjoy it, right? And also the fact that I'm able to help you guys out and you guys are telling me that I'm helping you out gives me that extra burst of energy to keep going. So I appreciate you very much, Crypto Killer Whale, as well as everybody in the CandleMafia. So we're not stopping ever. Okay. Let's see. Hey, Frankie, I want to say thanks for chatting. Okay, we read that old school new money. Thank you. I appreciate you. We're going to keep doing it. We're going to keep doing it over here. Don't worry. I wrote off a 3K loss on Doge a couple days ago. That was actually nice to do. Better than paying taxes I was going to pay anyways. All right, there you go, Eric. Look, and there's always a silver lining, right? If you sell and profit, it's taxable. Must be a transaction. Just buying the coin isn't a taxable situation. Yeah. So you're not going to get taxed. Yeah. Good, Crypto Billy. I don't think you. Yeah. Again, I don't want to really give any advice because I don't know the technicalities of anything tax wise. So I don't want to give any bad information. But there you go. Thank you, Alexander. Oh, that's you guys talking to each other. Jimmy Two Shoes opinion on the suppression of XRP after settlement. How long to relist? Yeah, to be honest, I don't know. Maybe we see crazy manipulation on, you know, when the XRP lawsuit settles, right? Even if they win, maybe they suppress it. Like they got the whales. I don't know. It's going to be hard to say. Hopefully we could just get some good news and it can just rip to like $10. That would be epic. I would be so happy. But yeah, hard to say. Hopefully we could see the end soon. Jimmy Two Shoes, I will say this. If XRP goes to if XRP pumps, I know I'm pretty sure you got a pretty big bag of XRP. We can meet up and go buy Lambos together. So yeah, hopefully we can see. Hard to say if it's going to be suppressed. I wouldn't be surprised if it was though. Or if they wait till the bottom of the bear market to tell everybody that they won the lawsuit. So that could be how they suppress the movement. Let's see. Yes, you do. When you trade it for a stable. Okay, that's tax stuff. Yeah, I set up a Discord, but don't really use it. Definitely down to hop in it though. All right, let's go, Matt. Frankie, do you trade any Forex or strictly crypto? I trade strictly crypto right now. Never really got into Forex. I got into it, but never actually traded it. I was trying to just learn because, as you know, Forex is a little bit different than crypto. So I was studying up on my Forex. Never really got into, and then I just kind of got back. I kind of just fell off the wagon. But maybe we'll get into some Forex stuff at some point. But yeah, for right now, I'm just all crypto. Matic, please, when you have a second. Yeah, yeah, JP, I got you. Other people were asking for Matic as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Hardest working man in crypto. Crypto Billy, I appreciate you. Thank you for that. Also, Tony, Tyler, Captain, anybody. Is Captain still here? Did Captain leave? Or is Captain never here? Oh, no, Captain was here. What happened to her? Oh, gotta go to work, guys. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure she wasn't leaving us. Okay. Yeah, guys, Tony and Tyler, if anyone's shouting out a coin that I'm just completely missing, just let me know. I don't know if it's Zcash. Yeah, okay. Zcash is next. Okay. So on the daily for Matic, yeah, still again, like these, I mean, guys, if we get an alt season, now this is obviously very, very specific to if we get an alt season finally sometime in this cycle, these prices are going to be missed, right? Like these are the prices if we have an alt season, right? If you bought in at these are great prices to buy in at. If we hit an alt season, you're going to be loving that you bought these levels. But if we crash into a bear market, you're going to hate yourself. So, and right now it's like 50-50 bullish bearish for me right now. I'm split. I lean a little more bearish just because of the way the longer time frames look on Bitcoin. But you know, anything can happen. I'm half and half to be honest. But yeah, okay. So the daily on Matic, money flow barely coming up, but not looking, you're not that deep in the red, but you are slightly coming up. You do have this resistance level here at about $1.53 or $1.54 about. So let's zoom in here. Really, nothing really too exciting on the daily. The 4-hour money flow coming up, right? You might print a bearish divergence on the 4-hour, and we've been seeing a lot of possible bearish divergences on the 4-hour here, where momentum is coming down and price is coming up. You also have this resistance level here, right? So that's another reason why, another way you could add some confidence to that short trade if you want to short Matic. So yeah, keep an eye on that on the 4-hour, possible shorting opportunity coming up in the near future. 2-hour, money flow coming up nicely right here. That green wave coming up real nice. So looking pretty good. And again, right, if you guys are asking yourself, like, well, what does he mean? Like, the 2-hour, he's saying the green money flow looks good. That, he keeps saying it doesn't look too shabby. But then the 4-hour, he's saying he sees a bearish divergence. So when I'm saying I see the bearish divergence, it doesn't mean that it's going to crash. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't always mean that's going to be this huge move down, right? Sometimes it does mean that, but you could easily, come up, right, print the bearish divergence and then catch a nice short down before coming back up, right? It's just nice because it's predictable. So it's possible that also on the lower time frames, you need some bullish action to push the price higher to make that bearish divergence. But if we print a red dot right here, that'd be a nice bearish divergence. But on the 2-hour, that money flow coming in nice. You're in the green on the 1-hour with the VWAP coming up. Might push you up a little bit here in the short term. So actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah, 1-hour looks pretty decent. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, you got that money flow crossover at the same exact time. There's our Friday night random line on TradingView, guys. Yeah, look at this money flow crossover at the same time as that VWAP, looking beautiful. Very, very nice. 15-minute. Green. Yeah, money flow coming up. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That 15-minute looks good, and that 30-minute looks pretty good as well. Yeah, 15-minute thick in the green here. Yeah, money flow coming up. Not looking too bad. But keep an eye on that 4-hour for the bearish dip for a possible short opportunity. So there you go. Matic, Zcash is next. Let me just write that. I'll just pull it up so we don't forget while we check chat here. AVAX, Aave. Yeah, John. Oh, John, you've been calling Aave. We'll look at that next. Can you check out Gala? Yes, Austin, we'll check out Gala. I'm listening, not watching. Hey, Jeremy. I hope you have headphones in, because this probably sounds really creepy. I think we might have creeped you out last time you were listening too. So there you go. Look at the curvature on the daily. Look at the curvature on the money flow on the daily. Okay, there you go. I just want to creep Jeremy out if he had headphones. Anyway, hey, what's up, babe? D's. I mean, bro, D's. Is that DZ? Who knows? Maybe that's DZ in a alter YouTube little alias. Let's see. Dollar cost average, win-win. Let's go. I got to run too. Talk to you later, Candle fam. Appreciate seeing your questions and watching. Epic. We'll see you next time. Thank you for being here. The only real reason we would get an alt season is if we go into a bear market from NFTs. NFTs are the reason we never got an alt season. Yeah, you know, it is interesting, Chris. You bring up an interesting point. I'm curious to see how NFTs go, how NFTs move in the bottom of the bear, like the bottom of the deep pits of an actual bear market. I would like to see how that happens because we haven't really seen a cycle with these, NFTs where they are today. And maybe, you kind of have a good point. Maybe, you do have a lot of the capital that goes from Bitcoin gains, right? And all those top market cap coins typically fountain down into altcoins, but now they're fountaining down into NFT projects. Could be possible. Yeah, good point, Chris. Thank you for that. Can someone help me with TradingView? Lost my panel on the left and can't figure out how to get it back. Rickster, what's going on? Welcome back. Yeah, sometimes stuff gets dragged around and moved. Try hitting Control Z a bunch of times. Just hold Control Z and it'll just undo everything and maybe you'll get it to reverse back. Sometimes that works for me. Just make sure you buy into projects you believe in. We 5 years and should be good. Bubba's, good advice. Louder for the people in the back. Blanchards, what's going on, Blanchards? Don't do what I do. I'm always all in. Hey, some of us are extreme. It's okay. Frankie, Luna. Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you, Tyler, for calling these out. Aave, AVAX, Quant. Okay, cool. Zcash first, and then we'll cover those. Boom. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, Tyler, you're crushing it. Thank you. Tony and Tyler in here, absolutely crushing. Okay. Going on down to the daily on Zcash. So you got green money flow crossover, kind of wishy-washy. Cross back into the red there for just a second before coming up. So yeah, nothing too bad there, but you are in the green, so looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and check the 10-hour. You're in the green. VWAP found support. Yeah, you're flipping. It looks like you're flipping this this resistance into support here at about 155. 4-hour. Yeah, VWAP crossed over. You got the green dot, pumped you over there. 1 hour VWAP coming down, but you're thick in the green. Look at that. Yeah, so you're probably you probably want to look, honest, to be 100% honest. You might not even come back down to this support. I was going to say, see if you can come back and find support here, but you might not even get down there. You might land on possibly on this support. It's not, you respected it here and here. I'm not going to go all the way back to see if it's a strong level, but you did get a little rejection here and here. So, maybe you find some support on this line, which was acting as resistance. Let me grab this. If you drag it down to the bodies of this candle, you got, hang on. Let me get this, guys. Let me get this. So if you drag this down to the bodies of these candles right here, you wicked right up to this and you got rejected here, rejected again. So maybe you flip this into support, right? And yeah, and then maybe you get a higher move. You're deep in the green, VWAP coming down, but you're thick in the green there. So maybe as the VWAP comes down, that's where you find this support. 30-minute, let's go ahead and check it. VWAP crossover, VWAP crossing over as well as money flow crossing over. Looking good. Yeah, Zcash looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. 15-minute, thick in the green. You do have a bearish divergence here, so maybe this is kind of where you start working your way down to maybe come find some support at that white line. Depending on where you draw these lines on what time frame. Yeah, maybe it's here actually. Maybe this is where you find your support. What's that percentage? Yeah, nice little 3%. You got a pretty good bearish divergence on the 15-minute. Still early. But yeah, there's Zcash. Let me just go ahead and bring up a longer time frame here and see where. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here now. Extended cycle, no Bitcoin top. Alt's getting the shaft. Yeah, yeah. PBX is under a penny. Are you going to scoop some up? It's Gene. Yes, is the answer to that question. I will be DCAing in, right? Because it's going to get crushed if we go into a bear market. But yeah, PBX, I like PBX. Rune is looking up. Rune Quant. Okay. Tyler, ASMR, Ave, AVAX, Quant. Do you guys want me to ASMR the TA? I got to lower the mic to get it nice and close. All right, so let's take a look at Ave for John. I know, John, you were looking for it. Sorry you called it out so many times. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay. Here we go. Coming on down to the daily. Frankie, shout out to Ian, the grandson of Crypto Billy. Ian, if you hear me right now, I'm looking at you, Ian. Listen, your grandfather, Crypto Billy, as you may know him as, is the man. Love Crypto Billy. And Ian, I hope you're learning. I don't know how old you are, but I hope you're learning about crypto. Maybe follow the channel so you can learn how to trade crypto if you're old enough to do so. If you're too young to do so, take in all the knowledge on crypto you can and blockchain and Web3 because it is the future and it's where all the money is going to be in the future. So happy to see you watching, Ian. So shout out to you and shout out to Crypto Billy. There you go. Shouting out Ian's or Crypto Billy's grandson. Let's go. Okay. Oh, happy birthday, Lisa. Let's go, Lisa. Happy birthday. I didn't even see Lisa in chat, but if it's your birthday, happy birthday, Lisa. Okay, so back here to Ave. Just trying to make sure I'm not missing anything here. Love your stream, Frankie. Always happy when I can catch you live. Hey, Crypto Chef, what's going on? Happy to see you here. You're happy to get on the stream. I'm happy to have you here, Crypto Chef. Love you. Anyway, so on the daily for Ave, here we go. Look at the 10-hour daily is kind of VWAP coming down on the 10-hour as the money flow is coming up to the 0 line, right? You crossed over, came back into the red. Now you're crossing back over into the green, right? So, VWAP coming down. Maybe you cool off a little bit here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, look at that. No bearish divergence yet because you're getting that green dot here. 32 minutes to confirm this green dot. Maybe eventually you print a red one. But yeah, you're flipping this area of resistance at about 1536 or 15 or I'm sorry, not 15. 153.60. Flipping that into support. So looking pretty good there. Yeah, maybe you kind of come down 2-hour, money flow clean, just clean coming up. Not too bad. VWAP coming down, but maybe that VWAP coming down on the 2-hour, you come down, test this as support, and then come back to higher prices. Excuse me. 1 hour, right? VWAP coming down, starting that move down, right? And like I said, guys, look at that, right? 2-hour VWAP about to come down and cross the 0 line, but on the 1 hour, you're already getting the cross. So this is kind of how I mentioned that, like the lower time frames sort of foreshadow and bleed into the longer time frames. Again, just so I can reinforce some stuff into your guys' brains, you have the lower high, lower high, lower high, right? Then you made a lower low from here. However, you have that line. Typically, you break out there, so that's just kind of an area where that played out. So yeah, maybe you come down and retest this as support before you come back up. That's kind of what it's looking like for Ave. 30-minute. VWAP curving up, money flow in the green, 15-minute, VWAP coming up, and your money flow in the green. Yeah, I mean, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. I would honestly, to be 100% honest, I would expect probably just based off of this 1 hour, I think this could bring you back down to test this as support before bouncing. Okay. Let me check on the coins again. AVAX, Quant. Well, I think we looked at AVAX, didn't we? Gala, Luna, Rune. Okay, let's look at Luna, or let's look at Gala. Boom. Gala, let's check chat real quick. Let's start the movement now. Everybody tell BitBoy that Frankie needs to do ASMR in the morning stream. Hey, if Listen, Ben sees you guys, the Candle Mafia, in the morning chat. So if you guys ever want to get in touch with Ben and let them know something you want to see, he does read the chat sometimes. So spam that chat, and maybe if he sees it, we'll do a little ASMR. Or yeah, so I love it. You know, when you shout me out on the morning show, it is nice because everybody sees it, and it helps spread the word of the Candle Mafia, right? And the Bit Squad's looking around like, wait, Candle Mafia, who are these people? And then they come and join. Oh, right. Let's see. Thank you. Have you heard of Cotton Candy TA? No, I have not, Crypto Mac. Let's see. Ian is at the right place today. Yes, Robert, he's in the right place. Made his day, Frankie. Thank you so much. Thanks, mods. You guys are the best. Crypto Billy, no problem. We're here for the familia, and Ian is now part of the Candle Mafia. So, Ian, welcome. You got to talk to the Godfather because he's got to give you the rundown on all the rules and stuff. You got to respect certain people and stuff like that. But welcome, Ian. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. Let's see. ASMR the whole stream, please, Carlo De Leon. That would be, I would feel like that would be exhausting, to be honest. But yeah, maybe we'll do an ASMR stream. All right. Oh, wow. Chat just jumped a lot. Okay. Thanks, Frankie. I make Lisa. Oh, Greg. Thanks, Frankie. I make Lisa listen and watch with me as much as possible. You made her day. Lisa, happy birthday. I got my birthday coming up too in April. So happy birthday to the March and the April babies. I don't know how old you're turning, but you don't look a day over 18. All right. All right. Let's see. Gala and Rune. Okay. What is ASMR? Audio sense. I don't know what it stands for, but it's like when people do like whisper. I don't really know how to explain it. We're having the ASMR section in the show. That would be cool. Okay, Joe. Wow, you guys really like the ASMR. All right. Let's see. Consigliere chart boss, Jimmy Two Shoes, 100K YouTube subs is on. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go. Okay. Let's cover Gala. Bada boom. Coming up at an hour and 46. I do actually have somewhere to be today, so we got to be somewhat timely. I am picking somebody up from the airport, or I'm not picking somebody up from the airport, but I'm meeting somebody. But you know, the Candle Mafia has got to, you know, sometimes we got to fly those packages in. You got to, you know, you got to meet personally, you know, with Vinny to pick up the package. You know what I'm saying? I'm kidding, YouTube. It's a joke. Anyway, all right. Imagine we get like banned on YouTube, and it says like, you know, mob related activities are not allowed on YouTube. And we're just like, what do you mean? Anyway, Gala, guys. You know, oh God, this is not looking. I mean, curving up. Money flow's curving up. VWAP coming down. It is kind of starting to curve down a little bit. Not looking as good as some of the other stuff here. It's interesting. The coins that do well when everything else is doing bad do bad when everything else does well. It's very interesting. Let's take a look at the 10-hour. Right, you got the VWAP crossing up. That's pretty good news. Let's look at the 4-hour. Oh wow, little tiny. Look at that. You got a little anchor, and a little trigger wave here with the VWAP crossing up. Maybe you come up and test this resistance again on the 4-hour. Not 4 hours not looking too bad. 2-hour USD number is showing the waiting market orders graph taboo. Okay. All right. 2-hour money flow crossover not too long ago. I mean, 2, 4, 6, 8, you know, 8 or 10 hours ago. VWAP coming down, but money flow coming up pretty nicely on the 2-hour. 1-hour VWAP crossover, not looking too bad. Looking like possible just bullish continuation there. Maybe you break out a little bit. Let's take a look at the 90-minute. Nothing just really screaming at me on Gala. Yeah, keep a lookout for this. You know, money flow in the green. Did you make a higher high? Yeah, possible bearish divergence, you know, on Gala, not confirmed, but yeah, possible, you know, bearish divergence on Gala, on the 15-minute, that is. But 4-hour, you know, 4-hour printed that trigger wave, so maybe that's, you know, yeah. I would say keep an eye on that 4-hour. Keep an eye out for the bearish divergence on the 15-minute. But yeah, 4-hour looking like it could bring you up a little bit. But yeah, nothing too exciting going on with Gala. When are we getting that custom wheel? Hey, Matt, Tony, why don't you let the people know where we're at on that custom wheel? If you guys don't know, Tony D, he's actually an engineer. He's making a really cool custom Frankie Candles wheel of pain and pleasure, because ours is rigged. This one is broken and lands on the same thing every time. So he's making us, yeah, it will take a little while, but trust me, it will be worth it. Digital wheel until then. Yeah, we're gonna use the digital wheel until then. But yeah, I think we're putting lights on it. It's gonna be epic. And Tony guarantees that it's gonna be the most satisfying click every time it passes a thing. So should be interesting. Would be nice. Would be nice. So thank you, Tony, for working on that. Okay. Let's take a look at Rune and Luna really quick. If you guys saw that, I typed in Runa by accident. Let's take a look at Rune. God, this thing won't stop. I'm getting sick of this. Like, stop going up. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I mean, this thing is going. Look at that. Came up and tested the top of this resistance box to the T. It doesn't get closer than that, guys. Popped out a tiny bit. But yeah, found perfect resistance there. I mean, yeah, that's what we like to see. You know, accurate lines here. But yeah, you printed a green dot, VWAP crossover on the 4 hour. Let's see what the daily looks like. I mean, daily money flow crossover into the green happened. VWAP coming down though. Yeah, VWAP coming down, but you just had that money flow crossover. Not too shabby. But yeah, this is only the second time that second time in the recent past. You know, we just tested it here. Obviously, we've come up to this level more in the past, but testing this specific box, this specific area right here. This is tested it here. Now we're testing it again. Let's see if we can get over it. Let's see if we can get over it. I mean, wouldn't surprise me the way Rune has been acting recently. You know, up 200% in the past. Up 200% in the past, like, month, about a little less than a month, up 200%. So congratulations to anybody holding, congratulations on anybody holding Rune. You guys are up. So congrats for you. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Jeez, look at the money flow on the 4 hour. Just absolutely epic. Thick in the green. Love to see it. Very, very, very nice. Let's see, 2 hour, you know, money actually coming out on the 2 hour could be indicative of getting rejection off of this resistance line. You know, 1 hour, you're getting a 1 hour crossover, so that's kind of conflicting there. You're getting that 1 hour crossover, but VWAP coming down, so maybe green, you come up into the green for just a second before getting pushed back down. Let's take a look at the 30-minute, you know, money flow crossover on the 30-minute. Let's check the 15. Thick in the green on the 15. Kind of conflicting information here on Rune, but just note that you are coming up to resistance here. Let's see. Let's go back to the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, just trying to see if there's anything. Yeah, I mean, you will have a you know, a bearish divergence, or you do have, you know, if you print that red dot, you could have bearish divergence printing on the 4 hour. So keep an eye on that. But Rune, bravo, big pumps for Rune. Okay. All right, guys, we are at about an hour and 52 minutes, coming up to the end here. Let's go ahead and pull up our wheel. 250 likes, guys. 198 people still in here. Thank you for those who stuck around. 204 people now. Last chance, if you guys can get those likes up to 300 before we finish spinning the wheel. If you get up to 280, I'll give you guys a third spin. All right. So I'll give you guys a little bit of time to get that up to 280 if you can. But just a little shout out here, guys. We will be giving away another mutant cheetah and a Cardano NFT. However, this is not the one you get. JPEG store is actually down right now, so I wasn't able to get the NFT. But they will be back up soon, and we will purchase it to give away. So we are announcing the NFT winner. Let me just check on the moving average video real quick. Yeah, let me just, oh no, what happened? Chat. Oh my God, chat just disappeared. Okay, there we go. Let me just check on the, what do you call it? Let me just check on the moving average video. How do you guys feel? Do you want to pick the winner right now? If, you know, if we did not, if there's like not a lot of people, because it just came out, I want to give a lot of people a chance to win. We have 71 comments. I don't know. How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Do you want to announce the winners today, or for the 15-minute call, or do you want to wait and get? maybe we'll announce the winners another day. Let me know what you want to do. Do you want to give people a little extra chance to get in there, to get some more people in the giveaway, or do you want to just announce it now? Let me know. And while you guys let me know, 265 likes, creeping up towards that 280. Let's see. We can get there. We can get there. I know we can. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if we should announce it today or give people a little extra time. And then let's spin the wheel while you guys are throwing that in. There we go. All right. So we got 2 spins so far. If you get up to 280, we'll give you the 3rd spin. Here we go. Spin number 1. Sorry if this wheel's blowing out anybody's eardrums. I heard it's loud. There's no way to mute it. I tried. I'm sorry. Look at that. You guys get another giveaway, as we consistently do on this channel. Let's go. Luna, Jesse, I got you. We'll take a look at Luna. I did skip it, meant to look at it. That'll be the last coin we look at. The comments are the OGs. Let's do it, baby. Okay. All right. So you guys get another giveaway. Tony, if you could just text me or someone text. I just don't want to forget that we have another giveaway. It's getting a little out of control. I want to make sure that we're not saying we're giving giveaways and then we never do it. I just want to make sure we remember. So there you go. You guys got a giveaway. Let's get it, baby. 272. We got one more spin. If you get it up to 280, we'll give you a 3rd spin. Please don't land on giveaway. I'm going to go broke, guys. I'll go broke for the Mafia, though. I don't care. Celeb DM, guys. Celeb DM. All right. Let's pull up a celeb. Let me know who we're DMing. This might be the last celeb DM before we replace that with something else on the wheel. Switch scenes. Oh no, so sorry. Okay. Let's see. Can't see the wheel. Yeah, sorry for that. Sorry about that, guys. Well, you got giveaway, and now you got celeb DM. Okay. Yeah, so I think the consensus is maybe 1 today. Hell yeah. Now. Pick it today. Now. Do it, Luna. Yeah, okay. All right, fine. We'll pick the winner today. See if I care. 280, baby. We hit the 280. Let's go. You guys get a 3rd spin. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bada boom, baby. Bada boom. Here we go. Can you guys get another giveaway? No way. 2 giveaways, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. We got some Cardano NFTs. Maybe we'll just do Mutant Cheetahs. You guys seem to like those. All right. So we got two more NFT giveaways. We're going to be announcing one right now. Let me just pull up our thing here. Let me pull up this little scumbach. Oh, little Pellegrino over here.
What's going on?
All right, boom. Sorry if you guys heard that play. I'm just grabbing the link. Strategy. Boom. Boom. Let's see. Easy trading strategy, support and resistance. Oh, okay. Boom. Okay, we got the comment picker. Let's go. Mods. I'm calling to you guys to save me right now. I'm second guessing myself a minute for a minute here, guys. Mods. I just want to make sure I'm consistent here. We did say we were going to pick the winner from this strategy video, right? Just so I make sure I pull it from the right video, because I said that today. Somebody give me a yes, you're correct or something in chat. We are picking it from the strategy video that was uploaded today, correct? I hope so. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and get this rocking. Bada boom, baby, bada boom, bada boom. I'm going to continue as if I'm correct until one of the mods tells me I'm wrong. Yes. Okay, you guys are saying yes. Yes. Can I make my own CandleMafia merch? Don't want to infringe. Hey, Crypto Killer Whale, we're definitely going to be having official Frankie Candles merch, but yeah, I mean, if you want to make your own, I like to see what you guys make. I have no problem with that whatsoever. Feel free. I would actually be I would be flattered. Let's see. Correct. Okay. Thank you, Jonathan. And moving average video. Tyler says yes. Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure I'm pulling from the right place. Filter duplicates. Include replies. No. Get YouTube comments. Okay. Let's go. Guys, this is a little exclusive. 80 comments here. Exclusive for the OGs here. Well deserved, by the way. Not that we love our new people too, but let's go ahead and see who it's going to be. This is for the NFT. I am not going to try to pronounce that. Giacomo Gomez Lopez says, thank you for always putting all your effort to help your audience. Shout out for that nice comment. Thank you, Giacomo. I appreciate you. You are the winner of the Mutant Cheetah NFT. So congratulations. If you don't already have a Nami wallet, look up Nami wallet. Should be the first thing when you search in Google. Just be careful of the spammy ads. And then, yeah, we will, if you get in touch with Tony or Tyler, maybe you guys can try to get in touch with him if he's in chat right now. If not, if you're seeing this, Giacomo, you won. Get in touch with our mods in chat, or if you join our the mod Discord, you can get in touch with them. They will send me your Nami wallet address. If you don't have one, download one, get your address, send it to us, and I will throw that into your wallet. Congratulations to you. Let's go. I hope you like Cardano NFTs. Okay. All right. So now we have 3 15-minute calls, 3 15-minute call winners to pick. Here we go. 15-minute call number 1. Let's go. Deep Kush. What's going on, Deep Kush? I don't know if you're in here right now, but Deep Kush pumped. He said, Frankie, always the best. Thanks for the good explanation. I appreciate that comment, Deep Kush. And I'm pumped to talk to you, man. You're always in chat. I'm pumped to meet you. All right. 15-minute call number 2. Deep Kush is the first winner. I'm just marking this in case I have to look back at the stream and forget if I forget. Tony or Tyler, if you guys want to just help me out with that, I'd appreciate it. 15-minute call number 2. What do we got? Biomex. What's going on, Biomex? I see you in there. Let's go. Let's go, Biomex. We're going to hop on the phone. I am pumped. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations, Biomex. I know I feel weird saying congratulations because it's like I'm giving, like I'm a gift to you, which is like I'm just a normal dude. I don't want to sound like conceited, but I'm not going to say congratulations, but I'll just say I'm pumped to talk to you. And Deep Kush in here. Yo, what's up, Deep Kush? Nice. Cool. I'm super pumped. He put #value. Let's go, Biomex. Super pumped to talk to you guys for sure. And Peebo too. All right, let's see. 15-minute one-on-one call number 3. Icon 87. Let's go. Icon, you in here? Let's see. Gastop, well done. Welcome. Hey, Gastop, did you get that NFT? Let me know. I think I sent it to you. I think you were the winner of the NFT. Let me know if you got it. I just want to make sure it popped up in your wallet. Icon also put #value. Let's go. Icon, looking forward to hopping on a call with you. Yeah, congratulations. Or not congratulations. I'm pumped to talk to you. I don't know why I would congratulate you to hop on a phone call with me. But yeah, awesome. So nice. Congratulations to our NFT winner, Giacomo. And super pumped to meet and talk to our 15-minute one-on-one call winners. Super pumped about that. Yeah, it's going to be super cool. Congrats all. Yes, sir. Icon, what's good, man? Super pumped to talk to you. So yeah, we'll get that working. Like I said, it's all marks down. We will remember. It will happen. I'm gonna try to make time. Maybe this weekend. I have someone visiting me this weekend, so it might be hard to do. But arrived. Okay, good. Gas Hop. Happy that you got the NFT. I hope you like it. No problemo. Congratulations on winning that. So yeah, we will get these 15-minute calls all worked out. We do have the official Discord made, so it might help us communicate a little better. So wow, I just gasped for air. But guys, here we are at 2 hours, 289 likes. We almost cracked 300. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Shout out to our people out there trading and crushing the game. I saw you guys in chat. So yeah, guys, with that being said, that's all I got. I love each and every single one of you OGs in the CandleMafia. I will see you guys real quick. Luna, hang on. We're not signing off yet. Let's take a look at Luna real quick for Jesse. I hope she didn't leave or he didn't leave. I don't know. Jesse's kind of a unisex name. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy or whatever. But let's look at it for Jesse. I didn't want to leave you hanging there. Good thing I caught it. I was literally about to come off the stream. All right, so Luna, real quick, moving backwards here. So Luna, right? Money flow crossover into the red, actually, which is interesting. But, you know, it has been on a tear lately. We were in the green for quite a while here. Now we popped back into the green. Now we're back into the red. We'll have to see what happens. VWAP below the 0 line. Sorry, I'm going to be going in like 2 times speed here. 4 hour deep in, coming down with the money flow, VWAP above the 0 line, kind of conflicting there. 2 hour, you got your money flow coming up pretty nicely. VWAP coming down, also conflicting, might be indicative of sideways action. That's 2 time frames, confluence on that signal. Yeah, deep in the red here on the 90-minute, VWAP across above the 0 line, kind of all looking the same. 30-minute, there you go. Money flow coming up. 15-minute, money flow coming up pretty strong. I will say general sentiment on Luna here is, I would say sideways bearish. Yeah, I mean, you have money flow, you got money flow and VWAP kind of counteracting each other on a lot of these time frames. But yeah, could just make for some sideways action on Luna. So Jesse, I hope you stuck around there. Good thing I understand all that. Still, we're good. Thank you. Okay, Jesse, I wanted to make sure I didn't leave you hanging there. But guys, with that all being said, I love each and every single one of you in the Candle Mafia. You guys make all this possible, and I love you all. That's all I got. Maybe I'll see you this weekend. Maybe I'll see you on Monday. I'll see you guys later. Frankie Candles out.